Well, hey guys, here we go again. This is a Victa 40 electric whipper snipper. So they have an interesting head on them. As you can see, there's no screw at the bottom to take off the spool. So you look at it and think, well, how the hell do we get that off? So it's a bit like those medicine caps where you squeeze the side and then you're able to turn it. Without squeezing it in, you can't release it. So this is exactly like that. So you got the sides where the line is coming out, and then you got these grooves here, which is what you squeeze in to unrelease the spool. So I'll squeeze it in, and as you can see, that just pops out then, and there's our spool. And we'll take that out because I've got very little line left on this. We'll put that up there, and we can replace the line because that's all that's left. It's a two lines. They've got a track for each line through the side. They've got a starting point on either side. It wouldn't matter which side, it's both the same where you start. And as the spool tells you, it's a left-hand wind cord. So we're going like this with our left hand. So we'll do some line. I'll cut some line. Alright, so we've got a fair bit of line, and we're just going to cut that. I got this line from Aldi actually. It's a high grade one. And we're just going to obviously halve it. Just find both of those ends, wind it back till we get the loop, and there's our loop. So we get our spool. And we try not to cross over, so we're going to go that way, put it in the hole, and there's one either side, so let's go to that one. And we've got a track for each line, so we're winding. Try and be precise with your winding if you can, so it when you tap it, it doesn't get caught up. Now, as you can see, we've got these little tags around the spool here where you can use them to hold your twine. So I'm going to put one over there and that one over there. Right, so that can go back in. Obviously there's only one way it can go in. Then your thread, you turn it around a little bit, and unlock it from here, and we put it through. Put it into the grooves. That one's alright, that one's alright. And then we can put the whole thing back in. And that's it, she's done. And every time you push that up, it will release it further out. Now, this is your length here. When you first start spinning it, the cutter will cut it to the proper length. You don't have to worry about trimming it. The trimmer does that for you. That'll get cut off. So that's how you replace the line or the new twine on these new types of heads. It's very simple actually once you know how to do it. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.